Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this whole roasted salmon. I know I did a previous salmon recipe, but I am in a fall and holiday season series, and so I wanted to show you how you would do it as if you're cooking for Thanksgiving or Christmas. And so yeah, so this is a Serrano chili. It's similar to the jalapeno as far as like the look, but it's right there with all the other peppers. I chopped one up with a lot of garlic, and that's what's in this bowl that I'm gonna put together for the marinade for the salmon. So in this bowl, I have melted / softened butter. I'm going to add the jalapeno and the garlic. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you check it out if you feel so inclined. So now I'm going to zest my lemon. Not too much of it because, I rather use mostly the juice in this particular recipe, but I did zest some of it down in here. I'm also going to add some smoked paprika, some garlic powder. What's that? Onion powder? No, I believe that was garlic powder. And as well as your favorite lemon pepper seasoning. No, that was not It Slit lemon pepper, even though she's coming back. I've been saying that for over a year, but she's coming back. And then I'm also going to add some honey down in here and mix this up. And this will be the marinade for the salmon. Everything in one bowl. Got the butter, the sweet, the spicy, the savory. Mix it on up and you're good to go. So now all you're going to do is smear the marinade all over top of the salmon. And let me just say, let me give a spoiler alert, okay? I wish I had put 2 whole chilies in here versus just one because, like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I know I always say my food is good, which it is, because it's not good, it's not going to make the channel, but the chilies were a hit in this recipe. And I really, this one, please, y'all, one of y'all gonna make this recipe and come back and let the people know how good it was, okay? But I'm going to smear it all over everywhere. I am going to put the regular recipe, what I used, but I'm also going to put, or you could just use your own discretion if you want to add the chilies, go ahead and add it, okay? Just go ahead and do it. But I'm going to put the exact what I did in this video just so I don't confuse anybody. And then I'm going to top this off with some lemons. I'm not going to waste it. Lemon slices. And I'm going to pop it into a 375-degree oven. The other half of the lemon, my lemon was huge, y'all. So your lemon was not as big as mine. Use 2. And then I'm going to put the other half right there so it could roast, and then I'll show you what I do with that juice later on in the video. All right, so this is the salmon fresh out of the oven. Now look at me, I'm about to burn my hand, y'all. I picked it up to squeeze because I wanted to, ooh, look, see how good it was. Real quick, but you caught it. It was hot, y'all. I had to put it back down. It was fresh out the oven. But then I picked it up with the mitten, and then I was able to do it. Look how delicious this looks. And imagine pouring this lemon over your salmon at the table with your family, your friends, whoever you're cooking for. This recipe is easy to make. The ingredients, most of it, I'm sure you guys already have in your house. It's fail-proof. And yeah, but look how delicious this looks. Look at that chili on the side. It was perfect, moist, and just delicious, okay? But if you guys give it a try, let me know in the comments. I hope you guys do. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. I am going to give you a bite. Here go your bite. Okay. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.